In this video, we are going to create a token on the Tone network. Tone network tokens are called Jettons and have a similar function to the ERC20 tokens on the Ethereum network. For example, Notcoin is a Jetton, or the dog token, or all of the Telegram airdrops eventually create their tokens in form of Jettons, and their creators add them to centralized and decentralized exchange so that their users can buy and sell them. In this video, we only create the token, and in the second part of this tutorial, we add it to the decentralized exchange. The page you see in front of you is the Minter page, which is an official tool that the Tone network provides to its users to create tokens. But to do this, you also need the ToneKeeper wallet, which you can download from tonekeeper.com. You can use both the mobile version and the desktop version. Desktop version will be installed as an extension on your browser. I installed the extension on my Firefox browser to record this video, and I have some Tone coins in it. You also need to have at least 0.25 Tone coins to make the transaction. There is some explanation about Jetton that you can read. The first option is the token logo, which you must have uploaded somewhere and enter the link here. Its size must be 256 in 256 pixels and the format should be PNG. I uploaded it to my website. You can also use GitHub for this purpose, which is free. Enter the name of your token here, which I entered Bitcoin, for example. You can give it any name you like. In this section, enter the token symbol, which I have again entered BTC, for example. I will change the name and symbol of my token to what I really want. The number of decimal places is set to 9 by default. In here, enter the number of tokens you want to have. You can enter any amount. This is your token supply. For example, 10,000 or 100,000 or even billions. For example, I want to have 1 million tokens. Also enter a very short description about your token. Click on the Connect Wallet button. You can scan the QR code using your phone with your ToneKeeper wallet actually and connect to this website. Or click the Open Extension button if you have the desktop version installed and connect the wallet. You can also see the list of wallets that it supports. When I click the Connect Wallet button, my wallet will be connected. You can see here that it is connected. To create a token, we must click on the Deploy button. Confirm the transaction. You can see the fee. Enter your wallet password. My transaction has been sent. After confirming the transaction, my token will be created. After a while, it shows me an error and I have to check my transaction to see if it has been confirmed or not. It is in the pending transaction stage and I have to wait a while. After a while, my transaction is confirmed, and here you can see my tokens in my wallet. 1 million BDT, there is the logo, and because it is a new token, it says that it is an unverified token. You can see that my transaction has been confirmed. Here you can see my contract address, which I can send to other people to add my token to their wallet. I also want to test sending tokens. To do this, copy a wallet address, paste it in the send section, click the continue button and enter the amount. And finally, click the confirm and send button after entering the password. It will take a while for my balance to be updated. If I search for my token contract address in ToneScan, in the transactions and holders section, I should see some updates. Of course, after my transaction gets confirmed. Finally, it's browsed to holders in the holders section. So my Jetton has been created and works properly.